Okay, this video features a Dressmaker model SAMB-2. It is an all-metal machine. It has decorative stitches built in, 11 of them, plus your zigzag and your straight stitch. This is your stitch width control here. Now to do your decorative stitches, your stitch width must remain on 0, and then it'll follow the internal cam, but only when the width is on 0. Stitch length is here, and this is your buttonholer. Reverse is in the middle, and of course your 3-level feed dogs. Bobbin winder on the end. Cosmetically, it's decent. There's some dings along the edge here, and also there's some paint wear on the hand wheel. It is a standard high shank machine, left homing. Needle homes on the left side of the presser foot. The needle position is not adjustable. Comes with a box of high shank feet, including a hammer, button sewing foot, a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and it also comes with the original manual. It uses 15x1 needles, class 15 bobbins, and it's serviced and ready to go. Start out with a zigzag. And it is tabletop ready, as you can see, or it shares the dimensions with the Singer to where you can put it in a vintage Singer cabinet or carrying case if you choose. This is a release lever. You have to hold this over to change your stitch dial. I'm doing arrowhead here, and then it comes back over when you got it in place. And we're doing the arrowhead off of the built-in cam. There's your arrowhead, very nice. We'll do another one here. What else? Let's change over to this is like a scallop. Of course, you can change the length of your design. You just can't change the width on the decorative. It has to remain on 0. As you can see here, it's on 0. There's your scallop, and that came out very nice as well. And that is your vintage Dressmaker model SAMB-2.